Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening an elevated PowerShell or command prompt so you have permission to change system files. Once launched, stop the Windows Update service, WiiWaServe, and the bit service. This prevents files from being locked while you work. Make sure to also pause any third-party update tools that might interfere. You're doing this now to avoid file corruption. Stopping services first ensures the cache can be safely examined and removed without Windows trying to write to it mid-process. Next, go to C/Windows/software distribution and focus on the download and data store folders. These contain cached update files and databases. Once there, delete the contents of download and data store rather than removing the folder itself so Windows keeps correct permissions. If you prefer, copy files elsewhere before deleting for safety. After clearing, verify no update-related files remain. These steps remove corrupted packages and outdated manifests, so Windows can fetch fresh copies on the next update check. Finally, restart the Windows Update and bit services so the system can rebuild its caches. Once services run, trigger a scan using wiiwakult/detectno or usaclient start scan. Make sure Windows lists available updates and begins downloading fresh files. If installation fails, review update history and reinstall failed updates one at a time. For a single-key troubleshooting tip, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and confirm you have at least a few gigabytes free on C. Insufficient space and stuck services are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.